Some ideas that may help you get started in your halal investing journey. This is Afiq, Chief Finance Ninja at Fussfree Finance. Over the past 10 years, I've helped hundreds of families kickstart their halal investing journey onto the path of financial independence. So now that we know what makes up a halal investment or a halal investing, here are some ideas you may want to consider adding to your portfolio. Now, as always, my disclaimer is that none of these are a recommendation to purchase any of these products. You need to speak to a qualified professional to ensure it's suitable and you understand the risks involved in investing in any of these products. So here in Singapore, while there are thousands and thousands of different investments and investing ideas or schemes available out there, Alhamdulillah, we have a few options or choices that are available to us as Muslims. One of the easiest ways is to use a unit trust or a mutual fund. As of this recording, I am aware of 4 different mutual funds that are available to the retail investor here in Singapore. The first one is actually the Templeton Sharia Global Equity Fund. Now, if you go onto any online unit trust brokerage or platform, you should be able to find it if they carry it. One of the most popular ones is Fund Supermart. They have one of the better selections out there. And so the Templeton Sharia Global Equity Fund invests in a basket of stocks from all around the world. It's relatively diversified and is a good option for you if you fit the risk profile and your time horizon. The second unit trust that I'm aware of is actually the Franklin Global Sukuk Fund. The Franklin Global Sukuk Fund holds a basket of sukuks. What exactly is a sukuk? In the easiest way I can explain it, a sukuk is an Islamic bond. So what exactly is a bond? A bond is an IOU. When you purchase a bond, the person or entity selling you that bond has to give you interest payments. And in the way of a sukuk, the way it's structured is the dividends you get are actually a form of profit sharing. And so it is permissible. So let me know in the comments below, what are some of your biggest challenges when it comes to investing? The third unit trust that I'm aware of that is permissible to us as Muslims is the Maybank Global Income Sukuk Fund. Similar to the earlier one, the Maybank Sukuk Fund, like its name implies, is meant to give you an income. So it pays you a regular dividend every month. That's great if you're looking for income, not so great if you're looking for growth. The fourth fund that I'm aware of is actually the Deutsche Precious Metal Securities Fund. What it does is it buys securities or stocks that deal in gold mining or precious metals mining. Now, this is very important because now you notice you have stocks, bonds, and gold. Now, this is enough for you to build a proper portfolio. In my earlier videos, we talk about investing strategy, and that strategy is more important than what particular asset you buy. And so we now have the option available to us to purchase stocks, bonds, and gold in a halal way. And so talk to a qualified professional about how best to build your asset allocation, talk about your time horizon and your risk profile. Because ultimately, your investing plan is the most important indicator of your long-term success. Only then will you be able to find the right assets and instruments to add to that particular plan. Now, there are definitely other halal instruments out there, but those may not be as accessible or as easy to purchase than what we can normally get through funds and platforms. I run a lot of workshops and events talking about halal investing and being able to invest as a Muslim in Singapore. In fact, I've got a secret group full of like-minded investors who share investing ideas, investing suggestions, tips, tricks, and of course, I will share some of the most updated information available to me, to my community. I'm also writing a quick 2-page guide on how you can kickstart your investing journey and achieve financial independence as a Muslim here in Singapore. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and share. If you want to learn a lot more with quite a few videos all around, just keep looking. This is Afiq, Chief Finance Ninja at Fussfree Finance. I'll see you at the next one.